Bendon. We ask kids questions about big ideas. Let's go! Aris, how many planets are there in our solar system? That's easy. It's 8. Everyone knows that. Are you sure? My book says 9. Then your book must be older than Pluto. But Pluto used to be a planet when Mom was in school. Why did they kick it out? That's so rude. They didn't kick it out like it broke the rules or something. It just got reclassified. It's not a dwarf planet. It didn't change. It's still spinning, still cold, still small. Same Pluto. Yeah, but size made new rules. Pluto didn't pass. So it's like failing a space exam. Sorry, Pluto. You didn't study for planet class. Okay, so here's what really happened. For a long time, people believed there were 9 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Pluto was discovered in 1930 and became the smallest, farthest planet from the Sun. But scientists started to wonder, does Pluto really belong with the big planets? In the late 1990s and early 2000s, astronomers started finding other icy objects like Pluto in the same area of space. Some of them were even bigger than Pluto, like a dwarf planet named Aris. So people started asking, if Pluto is a planet, shouldn't Aris be one too? And what about all the other icy balls out there? That would mean we have dozens of new planets, and that's a little too messy for science. Back in 2006, scientists made new rules for what counts as a planet. To be a planet, firstly, you have to orbit the Sun. That means you travel around it in space, like Earth does. Secondly, you have to be big enough that your gravity makes you round, like a ball. And the last rule, you must be the boss of your orbit. That third rule means the planet has to be dominant in its area. It can't be sharing its orbit with lots of other icy rocks and objects. Wait, what does that mean? What? There's too much stuff in its way? Yes! Pluto orbits in the Kuiper Belt, which is full of icy rocks and dwarf planets. So, it failed the test. Oh, poor Pluto. Yeah, but it's still cool, folks. Literally, it's freezing and it has 5 moons. Wait, I thought Earth only had 1 moon. A moon is like a little friend that goes around the planet. It moves in a circle around the planet, kind of like how you might run around a playground slide. Planets are big and moons are smaller. The moons don't shine by themselves. They just reflect light from the sun, so we can see them at night. So Pluto has 5 little friends spinning around it. That's like a playground full of buddies. Exactly. And one of Pluto's moons, Charon, is almost as big as Pluto itself. They spin around each other like best friends holding hands. Space party! Should we want Pluto back in? Science isn't a democracy, Bendon. I still love Pluto. Pluto isn't a planet anymore, but still awesome. It's just in a different category. Thanks for watching and see you in our next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe,